Did you know that even a tiny light in your bedroom could be wrecking your brain health? It sounds dramatic, but it's true. Today, I'm going to show you why sleeping in total darkness is one of the easiest, most powerful ways to improve your memory, boost your mood, and sharpen your focus. Stick around, because this simple change could transform how you feel every single day. So, why does darkness matter so much? Your brain has an internal clock, and it relies on darkness to release a crucial hormone called melatonin. Melatonin isn't just for making you sleepy. It regulates your sleep cycles, helps manage your mood, and is essential for mental recovery. Overnight, here's the problem. Even a little bit of dim light at night can trick your brain and suppress melatonin production. This disrupts your deep sleep, and as a result, you might wake up feeling groggy, irritable, or even stressed out without knowing why. Let's dive into the science, because it's pretty fascinating. When light hits your eyelids, even dim light from a street lamp, a glowing clock, or a phone notification, it sends a signal to your brain. This signal basically says, hey, it might be daytime. Stay alert. This interrupts the most restorative stages of your sleep, like deep sleep and REM sleep. These are the stages where your brain works hard to consolidate memories, process emotions, and clean out waste products. When this process is cut short, it's no surprise you feel off. Furthermore, poor melatonin signaling isn't just about feeling tired. It's been scientifically linked to higher levels of anxiety, lower mood, and even problems with decision-making. Think about it. If your brain isn't getting the right signals to rest and repair, it's constantly on edge. Light exposure during sleep can also increase the production of cortisol, the stress hormone. This keeps your nervous system in a state of partial alertness, preventing you from ever truly reaching a state of deep relaxation. You're basically sleeping with one foot on the gas pedal. This chronic, low-level stress builds up over time and takes a serious toll on your mental and cognitive health. Your brain needs that complete shutdown period to function at its best. Okay, so how do you actually achieve this total darkness and turn your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary? It's easier than you think. Here are a few practical, effective tips. First, and this is the big one, install blackout curtains or blinds. They are an absolute game changer for blocking out streetlights and early morning sun. Second, create a digital sunset. Turn off all screens, your phone, tablet, TV, computer at least 30 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. That blue light is particularly disruptive. Next, do a scan of your room for any sneaky light sources. Remove or cover digital clocks, power adapters with little LEDs, and even the light from under your door. You can use a bit of electrical tape for this. If creating a perfectly dark room is difficult because of your living situation, a comfortable eye mask is a fantastic and inexpensive alternative. Following these steps helps your brain fully reset, improves your emotional stability, and allows you to restore your energy naturally, just as nature intended. Now, let's talk about the real-life impact. This isn't just theory. People who make the switch to sleeping in total darkness consistently report incredible benefits. They experience better focus during the day, feel less stressed and more resilient, and notice a significant improvement in their memory and ability to learn new things. It's simple, it's free, and it is one of the most powerful habits you can build for your long-term brain health and overall well-being. You're giving your brain the environment it was designed to thrive in. So here's my challenge to you. Try sleeping in total darkness tonight. Seriously, just give it a shot and see how you feel tomorrow morning. I'd love to hear about your experience. Comment below and let me know. Do you typically sleep with some lights on? Or are you already on Team Total Darkness? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your health. See you in the next one.